In this video, I'll show you how to change receiving accounts in Payoneer. Receiving accounts in Payoneer are local bank details that let you receive payments from approved companies, marketplaces, and business clients. Depending on your account, you may have receiving accounts for currencies like USD, EUR, GBP, AUD, CAD, and others. First, log in to your Payoneer account using the official Payoneer website or mobile app. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to Get Paid, Receive, or Receiving Accounts. The exact name may look slightly different depending on your account layout. Inside this section, you will see the receiving accounts currently available to you. Choose the currency account you want to check or change, such as USD, EUR, or GBP. Open the account details and review the bank information shown. Now, it's important to know that you usually cannot manually edit the actual receiving account number, routing number, IBAN, sort code, or bank name by yourself. These details are issued by Payoneer. If you need different receiving details, you may need to request a new receiving account or contact Payoneer support. To request another receiving account, look for an option such as Request Account, Request Another Account, Add Receiving Account, or Request Receiving Account. If this option is available, click or tap it and follow the instructions. Payoneer may ask why you need another receiving account. For example, you may need it for a different marketplace, a different client, a new currency, or a specific payment requirement. Answer honestly and clearly. Next, check the Verification Center. Payoneer may ask you to complete identity verification, address verification, bank account verification, or a receiving account questionnaire before approving new receiving account details. If you are trying to change the receiving account connected to a marketplace, such as Amazon, Fiverr, Upwork, TikTok, or another platform, you may need to update the payout details directly on that marketplace. Copy the new receiving account details from Payoneer, then paste them into the payout settings of the platform. If you no longer want to use an old receiving account, check whether Payoneer gives you an option to close or disable it. If there is no option, contact Payoneer support and explain what you want to change. Before changing anything, make sure there are no pending payments going to the old receiving account. Tell your clients or platforms to use the new details only after they are active and confirmed. That's how to change receiving accounts in Payoneer safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.